A web application is more complex than a classic website or e-commerce. There is no need to install something to use a web app, since it's executed online. A web app can be integrated inside a website or an e-commerce to extend their features. Codelia makes you able to create powerful web apps that can be easily integrated with your websites or e-commerce. A real example of a web app could be an admin area where to let customers to track their orders and payments of any commerce. Since the admin area needs to be connected with the content of the e-commerce store, you need to create and update the content only one time, being able to update it on both platforms. Codelia makes this process and the creation of a web app easy and flexible thanks to the Codelia API, managing the content for both platforms from one workspace, collaborating with your teammates. Develop it by using any programming language or framework, improving your productivity. You can integrate Codelia with the most popular languages and frameworks such as PHP, React.js, Next.js, Node.js, Vue.js, and Python. Or, if you're not a developer, get a pre-built template from popular marketplaces as ThemeForest, or use any drag and drop editor to create your custom template without coding, and then integrate it with Codelia in just 10 minutes with a basic development knowledge, or hiring a developer only one time to complete this fast task. Integrate any third-party tool as your ERP or other custom solutions, and customize everything in your own way and improve your productivity.